In our first clip, what we need to do is to take one of the little packages that's in the Lipton onion. You want to cut that open, of course, and then just drop the contents of the package inside a dish. Now, the dish you use, very important. Two key elements of your dish. I like to use Corningware, but you want to make sure, A, that the dish can go in the oven, and B, that the dish is deep enough or wide enough that it can hold up to 3.5 cups of liquid, because that's what we're going to do right now. What I've been doing while we've been talking is I put the kettle on and I boiled some water. So I'm going to grab that water now from the kettle. You want to take your boiling water, use your measuring cup, and we want 3.5 cups of boiling water. So this cup's not quite large enough, so that gives me 2 cups right there. We're going to drop that in over top of the Lipton onion. And we're just going to get 1.5 more cups as well. So we want 3.5 cups of boiling water. You want to put that in. And then you're going to want to get a spoon. I like to use a wooden spoon. It tends to work the best. And you want it, before you do anything else, just mix that up, because you'll notice that Lipton onion in there. It is a powder substance. So just mix that up really well before we go any further.